So glad we had Georgia's forecast last night because that winter coat is really needed today.
Yeah, and it's so deceiving, George. That sun was shining so nicely, and then as soon as you step outside, boom.
That's like the second time this week. Remember Wednesday? Nice and sunny?
Yes.
Incredibly windy. Nice and sunny today. Incredibly cold. Yeah, it's been that kind of week, and it's going to be a cold weekend ahead. At least it will be dry and no impactful any snow here in West Michigan. That'll come at the end of the weekend. 13 weather ball is green. No change to the cold weather pattern foreseen. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We said it would drop to 18 at 5 o'clock. It was 21 at 5 o'clock. That's just good enough for your 3-degree guarantee. It's now 13 days in a row. Tomorrow we're going to start at 14 in the morning, jumping up to around 24, maybe 26 in the middle of the afternoon. A little more sunshine, a little bit lighter wind than we saw today. So that means wind chills will be in the teens instead of the single numbers. We've dropped to 19 now here in Grand Rapids. It's still mid to upper teens inland, closer to the lakeshore, right around 20 degrees. You've got a little bit more cloud cover at the lakeshore with a few lake effect flurries, but not impacting anything. Wind chills have been in the single digits all day long, but they will stay in the single digits tonight. That's because the winds are going to lighten up, but they're not going to go calm, so I don't think our temperatures are going to get a whole lot colder than they are right now. They'll stay in the teens, and you can see a couple of those flurries just lingering here during the evening hours. There may still be a few during the day tomorrow and tomorrow night, but no impactful weather here until the end of the weekend. We're watching an area of snow that's going to be coming out of the Pacific Northwest and eventually making it here by late Sunday night. Otherwise, we just got a few clouds and that cold weather for the weekend. Let's track that storm hour by hour. Nothing of any consequence overnight tonight, other than you can see a couple of flurries popping up here and there. And lots of sunshine during the afternoon tomorrow. Another mostly clear to partly clear night here tomorrow night. Again, a couple of flurries here and there, nothing impactful. And then as we get into late Sunday, we start to see some high clouds off to the west. Here comes that snow already moving into Minneapolis by Sunday evening, and by Monday morning, that'll be approaching West Michigan. It may be a little snowy for your morning commute, definitely for your evening commute here on Monday. And this is going to linger on into Tuesday as well. And so I think there's going to be enough snow to shovel and plow by the time you wake up on Tuesday morning. Our European model is showing a good solid 3 inches of snow from Grand Rapids northward. Over here in Wisconsin, 6 inches or more. And later on next week, as we get towards St. Patrick's Day and into Saturday, there's going to be an area of some snow just to our north and east that may pile up another 6 inches from about Big Rapids to the north and east. We'll wait on that till later on next week. Again, a few snow flurries at the lakeshore, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. 22 north to 26 south. Winds will be lighter out of the northwest here tomorrow. Up north around 23 to 25 with mostly sunny skies. Wind chills improving to the teens. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll make 26 here in Grand Rapids. The closer to Lake Michigan we are, the little bit warmer we will be. Only 24 in Battle Creek and in Ionia. So downtown Grand Rapids looking like this. Not much different than today. Maybe a little bit more sun. Sun coming up at 2 minutes after 7 o'clock. There's the snow late Sunday night through Monday and Monday night. You'll wake up Tuesday with a fresh blanket of snow on the ground, but the sun will come out and then temperatures eventually climbing up close to the melting point by Wednesday. 13 on target forecast. Sunshine again on Thursday with a high near 40. We'll get into the 40s on Friday. We'll start out as rain, but there may be just enough cold air wrapping around that Friday night. It may change over to snow early on Saturday, and then temperatures will rebound back up into the low 40s Saturday, mid to upper 40s on Sunday next week with some afternoon rain, and as spring officially arrives on Monday, perhaps more showers with highs in the 50s.